Winnetonka High School in the Northland may be better suited to help students with their financial literacy than any other high school in the metro area, thanks to the new credit union that just opened inside.
Adam Magnuson probably talks about money more at his house than other high schoolers.
Both my parents work in finance, so I know quite a bit about it.
So his financial philosophy is pretty simple.
You're going to need a bank account sometime in your life, so you might as well start early.
He shares that message from behind the desk of the Winnetonka High School branch of CSD Credit Union. It's part of his education, and it's his job.
They are bonded and insured. They're doing real transactions, handling real cash, dealing with real loan applications.
Credit union CEO Edward Watts told me that they're still educating people on the fact that this branch is the real deal, and that now is maybe the safest time to start learning how money works.
Once you're out in the wild, there are real consequences if you don't understand how to use a debit card, how to balance a checkbook, what is a good rate, what's a bad rate, what product or service should have a fee.
Those are all the parts that, honestly, most of us should have a better handle on. This branch's goal, Principal Edward Tate told me, is to shift the conversation.
They have no problem making money. I think all of our scholars have somewhat of a hustle game, if you will. You know, teaching our scholars that, hey, once you make your money, now here's the smart things that you can do with that money that you've made.
Missouri requires a financial literacy course for high school graduation, so every student in the state is getting that. But another one of the branch employees told me that what he's getting by working here puts him ahead of the pack.
It's for sure going to give me an advantage when I go to college and even past college, because I'm going to know what to do with my money instead of being uncomfortable where I was before this job.
By the way, the students who work at the credit union are also responsible for marketing and for recruiting other students to come work there. Both of those students I spoke to, both juniors, intend to keep working at the credit union until they graduate next year.